By Whitsunday and Huntly Toon, it's there I did agree. With Bogie side O'Kearney is 6 months for to fee. To drive his 2 best horses, likewise his curtain blue, and to do a thing about the farm that richt well I could do. Now Bogie had a doctor whose name was Isabel. The flew o'er her nation, there's none her could excel. She had rosy cheeks and ruby lips, and hair dark as dew. She was neat, complete,